Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to enter PSP recovery mode. To do it you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To enter PSP recovery mode, fully power off the console, then press and hold the right bumper while flipping the power switch to turn it on. Then you want to continue holding the right bumper until you see the red and a white text indicating recovery mode has been entered. Once you've actually done it with that, you'll have successfully enabled it. Just need to ensure that the PSP is completely turned off. Hold the power button for 5 seconds or until the green LED turns off to fully shut it down. While the PSP is off, press and hold the right bumper button and you could flip the power switch on to turn the PSP on while still holding the right bumper. Once you actually do it you'll be then entered to a recovery mode. And once in a recovery mode, you could use the menu to run the recovery utility configuration, advanced settings, reset your PSP and reboot your PSP, normally by highlighting back and pressing the X button. That is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.